We are pleased to show you the 2023 Transit 250. The Transit 250 comes in numerous configurations, impressive payload, and towing capacities. It is comfortable and easy to drive. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, tire pressure monitor, four-wheel disc brakes, rear-wheel drive, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, variable speed, intermittent wipers, backup camera, Bluetooth. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.